Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting your hardware ready. Charge the Xbox controller and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, open Call of Duty Mobile and check for the latest update so controller support is available. If you have a wired controller, connect with an OTG adapter. For wireless, put the controller in pairing mode. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth is actively searching and that no other devices are blocking the connection, because a clean initial link prevents frustrating disconnects later. Once paired at the OS level, launch Call of Duty Mobile and go directly to Settings, then Controller. You need to enable external controller mode so the game accepts input. After that, map buttons to your preferred layout and calibrate thumbstick sensitivity. This matters because touchscreen defaults differ from analog sticks. Make small adjustments and test in a private match. Iterative tuning of sensitivity and dead zones makes aiming and movement feel natural rather than jittery or sluggish. To finish, optimize performance and control feel. Lower graphics to reduce frame drops, set dead zones small but not zero, and tweak aim assist so it complements analog aiming. Use a phone clip for stability and better ergonomics during long sessions. If things go wrong, first repair the controller and restart the game, then update controller firmware or swap your OTG cable. If disconnects persist, test the controller with another device to isolate whether the controller, cable, or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.